Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 50-foot phone cord on the market, the iMBAPrice 50 feet long telephone extension cord. If you've ever struggled with limited reach on your landline phone or needed to connect fax machines, modems, or answering machines further from your wall jack, this extension cord is designed to solve that problem with ease. The iMBAPrice extension cord features standard male RJ11 connectors on both ends, making it compatible with almost any telephone device that uses this common plug type. This means you can extend your phone line without worrying about compatibility issues. The cord supports all 4 conductors, ensuring a stable and clear signal transmission for your phone calls or data connections. One of the standout features of this cord is its length. At 50 feet, it offers ample distance to position your phone or device exactly where you want it, whether that's across the room, down the hallway, or even in another part of your home or office. This flexibility can be especially useful in larger spaces or in setups where the phone jack isn't conveniently located. Durability and build quality are also key with this product. The cord is coated in sturdy plastic with a sleek black finish, which not only protects the internal wires but also blends well with most home or office environments. Its construction is intended to maintain signal quality over the entire length, avoiding common issues like interference or signal loss that sometimes happen with cheaper or longer cords. Another useful aspect of this extension cord is its versatility. Beyond standard telephones, it works seamlessly with fax machines, modems, answering machines, routers, and even radar or laser detectors that use RJ11 connections. This makes it a multi-purpose cable solution for various communication devices. Setting it up is straightforward. Simply plug one end into your wall jack and the other into your phone or device. If you need to connect multiple devices or extend the line further, this cord can easily be paired with inline couplers or splitters without losing signal integrity. Whether you're looking to improve your home office setup, extend your business phone line, or just want a reliable cable to ensure clear communication, the iMBAPrice 50 feet telephone extension cord is a solid choice. It strikes a good balance between length, quality, and compatibility, making it a top contender for anyone needing an extended phone line. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product insights. Thanks for watching.